Hello everyone. Children, I am going to continue with exercise 12.2 of chapter 12 factorization of class 8 according to the revised syllabus. Okay. So coming to the fourth part, we have to factorize the given expression. Okay. And the first part is a raised to the power 4 minus b raised to the power 4. So let's see how to factorize this expression. Okay. Children, this a raised to power 4 can be written as a to the power 2 to the whole power 2. Okay, you remember the laws of exponents, one of the laws of exponents? It was like x to the power m to the whole power n is equal to n into m, isn't it? So 2 is also the power of this base 2 and this 2 is also the power of this base a. Okay, here. So now this 2, both the 2's are multiplied and again we will get 4. So this a raised to power 4 can be expressed as a raised to power 2 to the whole power 2 minus, similarly b raised to power 4 can be written as b raised to power 2 to the whole power 2. Okay. Now, here we can compare this expression with the identity x square minus y square is equal to x plus y, x minus y. Isn't it? So, here our x is a square and our y is b square. Okay. So, a square raised to power 2 minus b raised to power 2 to the whole power 2 is equal to, your x is a square plus and y is your b square. Okay, and here x is a square minus b square. Okay, further a square minus b square can be again expanded, okay, using the identity x square minus y square is equal to x plus y, x minus y. Here our x is a and our y is b. Okay, so the factorization of this expression will be a square plus b square and a square minus b square will be a plus b, a minus b. This is the way we have to factorize this expression. Okay. Coming to the second part, we have p raised to power 4 minus 81. You know that 81 can be expressed as 3 raised to power 4, isn't it? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, it means when we multiply 3 4 times, we get 81. Okay, now this p raised to power can be written as p square to the whole power 2 minus 3 raised to power 2 to the whole power 2. Okay. Now here we can use the identity as we have used in the first part. Okay. A square, or you can write x square minus y square is equal to x plus y, x minus y. Okay. So now compare x square minus y square with p square to the power 2 minus 3 square to the power 2. So here we get that our x is equal to p square. Okay, and y is equal to your p square. Okay, now using this identity in this expression, you will get the factorization as x क्या है हमारा यहाँ पे p square plus और y क्या है हमारा 3 का square. 3 का square means 9 also you can write, and then x minus y, it means p square minus 3 square. Okay children, now p square plus 3 का square को you can write as 9. Okay, now again using the identity here x square minus y square. Okay, we can write this as x plus y, x minus y. Here x is your p and y is your 3. In this, again we have to apply the identity x square minus y square. Okay, so we'll get p plus 3 multiplied by p minus 3. Okay.